Okay, this is getting recorded that this one I don't know. And why is it not showing there? Why is it not showing Q? Okay. Hey guys, talking of a new product, old product, but newly designed and, and relaunched with a new swag. So it's called Old Spice Swagger. This one I received a gift from my sister from the United States. So Old Spice has been there for I don't know 70, 80 years or maybe 50 years, but they have changed their marketing strategy. They are trying to market the new gen with new design, new product designs, new marketing techniques. So the Old Spice is now coming with new sticker, new brand, some tweaks here and there. So Old Spice Swagger, they have Old Spice Gentleman and things like that. And I think it's all over the Amazon and Flipkart. You can see, and not just the cover, they have changed their product also. New fragrances, new set of sprays, deodorants, body wash, everything. I think they have more than 10 different flankers for this. Okay, but overall, I like this particular Old Spice swagger. It has a cedar smell. I liked it. Good.